Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This is actually my first time making a long video and not a short. Like I always make shorts, but never long videos. So today we're going to draw something and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna, so actually there's these pages, like a lot of pages. So we're gonna draw something in that. Okay. The Therian logo. My mom says it's from the devil. It's not. It's like. It's not. It's like producing, not producing, but like it means animal signs or I don't know how to explain it. Sorry, but someone else can explain it to you. So I'm gonna make that Therian logo, the circle, the triangle, and that thing. Don't know what it is, but let's do it. Tried drawing it with a mask, but I'll try my best. So I'm in my pajamas. I just took a bath. Okay, so something like this. Then I'm gonna add pause. So the way I learned it is like, I don't know how to explain. Anyways. I hear something. Okay, I try my best making a paw. It's not the best, but okay. What else can I add? Maybe I can say Therian. If there's enough space. Yeah, I could fit Therian there. And then, I'll say fox here. Because I'm a red fox actually, so I should say red fox. Red fox. I made it in a cool way. So you can look at that so long. Yeah, the reason I have this book is because the other one keeps losing its pages, like the pages keep falling out. So, yeah. Anyway, I look weird when I do that. No, I don't like it. Oh, wait. Where's the, oh yeah. Just want to get something. My dog is on my feet. Okay. Now I have this thing, fidget thingy. So then I'm gonna trace it and then make a pool, and then add this, and then the other stuff that it needs. I'm not cold, but I'm just laying in bed. Cause so this is big and it won't fit. Okay. There we go. Oh, I forgot the small one. Put it where it belongs. Okay, I did it. Okay, it fell. Let me just put it there. Okay. Now I have to trace this. I want to put my mask up. But I'm not doing a face reveal. Anyways. What do I do? There we go. Take that off. There we go. Put that there. Oh, wait, let me just fix that. Don't know what I did there. Oh, that's better. And also here, 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 and here. Okay, so there's the paw. Okay, I'm not finished. So I'm gonna make this bottom thingy here, the bottom one. Okay, so it's like oh, that's not bad. And then circle. Then I'm gonna add claws. This thing doesn't have claws, but right there. That one's too small. Let me just, there we go. I made it a little bigger. Okay, never mind. Fix that. I have one on my wall, like my Ethereum wall, like all the stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I made one. It's there. Okay. Just close that in. My dog always likes laying on my feet every time I go to bed. Anyways, yeah, I want to take my mask off, but I can't. Okay, so there's the paw. Yeah, that's not bad. So there are my two first pages. What else can I draw? I don't know. A fox head. I don't know how. I would have to use my mask. And then I would also have to take it off. I could pause the video. Wait, I have to go out of camera quick. Oh wait, I just realized my mask's off. Okay, this is not gonna fit. Wait, let me check. No, it's too big. Don't you have any other Syrian things? Nope. Ah, fox things, no. I do, but I don't know where it is. Wait, let me think. This one. No. I don't really have anything to do it with. I want to do this, but I'm scared that it will look bad. Let me do it at the back of this, maybe. Okay, now open. Anyways, let's see. Why didn't draw? Oh, I have to press harder. Okay. So currently I'm almost done. Okay, not bad.
Sorry?
What? Oh wow.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I'll eat it now.
Too.
Oh no, I'm making a video.
Oh.
Sorry about that. I just love chips. I didn't ask for it, but I actually like it. wait, let me add a call. Though this is gonna be thrown away, but what does it matter? Okay, it might not be the best, but I tried, okay? I'm not gonna add anything else, although I do want to add the Figurine logo thingy. Anyways, so I did try. Sorry, that was my auntie, not my mom, because I don't have a mom. Anyways, type in the comments what else I should draw, please, because I will draw a fox and a mask thingy. I do have on my wall there. Let me show you. So they're on my wall. Now I have a lot of them. See that? I did draw that in my book just now. Yeah, I also have on my door, but it's like outside of the door. So yeah. Oh no, now my face isn't. What's that? Okay, I don't know. So I want to talk to you guys. I want to say something. So my dad got a Isa toy of Take a Lot. It was a dog, yes. And it came in 7 days, and now it's 3 or 2, because it's the night time, and then like it's 2 days now, 2 sleepies. So yeah, I do have a dog, a Isa dog, but it's at my granny's house. Ugh. I have to fetch it. And then I have a tiger Isa and lion Isa. Yeah, they exist too. Animals also exist too. Isa animals, like a tiger, lion, or anything like that. And I also have a cat Isa. I don't know where it is actually. Can't remember, but it's so fluffy and so cute. Okay, so now, yeah, I'll make another video next time, because like I wanna make this video longer, but like nope, nothing face reveal. Only on my other videos I said 10k likes, then I'll do a face reveal. I don't really want to do a face reveal anymore. I don't want to show my face. My auntie said I'm not allowed. So no face reveals. Sorry. That was a mistake. And I have a Samsung phone, and you can't delete anything from Samsung phone. And I don't know how. So a Samsung phone, you can't delete anything, so yeah. My friend, I had a play date. Okay, I know I said in one of my videos I'll tell the story, but I'm telling the story now. So yeah, me and my friend had a play date. She came to my house. She's small. I'm older. I'm 9, and she was 5. I think she was 5. She's 5 years old. I don't know how to explain how she looks, and I'm not allowed to tell. I'm not gonna tell her name, how she looks, only her age and stuff like that. She wanted to be on YouTube. She said, "Can I please be on YouTube?" But I said, "Your parents are gonna be mad at me, and then I'm never gonna have a play there with you again." So then she said, "Fine, fine, Fine." And now she kept crying until my auntie phoned the mom, and the mom said no, she's not allowed. And she heard that her mom said she's not allowed. So yeah. I'll make another video, but it's late, so I can't go outside because my auntie doesn't allow me. So yeah. Okay, bye.